If you are in the search for one of the healthiest foods on the planet, that provides numerous benefits, we have the answer. Dates are pure miracle when it comes to dealing with various health problems, like elevated cholesterol and blood pressure, heart diseases and strokes and others. Dates contain high levels of valuable nutrients that enable the body to stay healthy and fight off diseases with ease. To learn how healthy dates are and why, read the top 6 dates benefits below. 1. Dates are full of iron. This is especially important for anemic patients, pregnant women and children. Just 100 grams of dates can contain about 0.90 milligrams of iron. This number equals an amazing 11% of the preferred daily intake. Iron regulates the hemoglobin levels and red blood cells levels and enables oxygen flow in the bloodstream. 2. Prevents diarrhea. Another mineral found in dates is potassium, excellent for stopping diarrhea. Potassium heals the intestinal flora and enables the intestines to create more beneficial bacteria. 3. Deals with constipation. Aside from treating diarrhea, dates can help with constipation problems as well. Place dates in clean water during the night and the next morning. Consume the dissolved juices to enhance the bowel's performance. It is the most natural laxative ever. 4. Keeps the optimal body weight. Dates are full of nutrients which can regulate the body weight and prevent excess fat buildup. Eat them on an empty stomach for best results. Since they contain no cholesterol, dates are the perfect slim-down food to have at home. However, they are very rich in sugar, so take them moderately to prevent weight gain as a side effect. 5. Regulates the cholesterol level. The bad body cholesterol, also known as LDL, can be easily treated by consuming dates. They also provide blood vessels cleanse and do not allow fats to get attached to the heart and cause blood clots. 6. Natural heart strengthener. The heart benefits hugely from eating dates. To get optimal benefits, soak dates in water and leave them overnight. The next morning, strain dates and remove seeds. Blend seeds with water and consume during the day. 7. Blood pressure regulator. Alongside the heart, dates take care of the blood pressure, too. Full of potassium and almost no sodium, dates are strongly recommended for balancing the blood pressure levels. Furthermore, 5 or 6 dates contain about 80 milligrams of magnesium. This mineral expands the blood vessels and boosts the circulation. If you take around 370 milligrams of magnesium, as some studies suggest, this amount will lower your blood pressure instantly. 8. No risks of stroke. Dates are very powerful when it comes to keeping the nervous system safe, thus preventing strokes of any sort. All this happens thanks to the potassium content found in dates. Just 400 milligrams or more of potassium a day can reduce the risk for stroke by 40%.